I know. It's in video.
This is funny.
What is it? It's a bun.
It's so fun.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. What does that mean?
Wait, where was the bun?
Yeah, where's the bun?
Where's the bun?
In the oven.
In the oven.
There was a bun in the...
I don't get it. Oh, I hope I get it when I open the envelope.
Yeah, bun in the oven.
Oh, honey!
Are you kidding me?
Talk about a gift. Hey, brother.
Happy Mother's Day.
How about that?
That's the best gift you
There's a
ever
bun in the
had.
oven.
Oh, man.
Oh, bun in the oven. I didn't know that.
Oh. I had no idea what he's talking about.
I'm so happy.
Oh,
brother.
Baby's supposed to come.
Awesome, man.
December 11th. Another December baby. Yeah, Gina's birthday.
Twins, I think twins.
I was like, what? A bun?
A bun in the oven?
That was awesome.
Thank you, honey. That is so sweet.
That was like, wow, what was that?
Did you get it?
That is like, what?
That's awesome.
So precious.
Thank you all for doing that.
How about
Look at there's the